If you forgot your Gmail password, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the safest and easiest way to recover access to your account step by step. Whether you're trying to get back into your email on your phone, laptop, or another device, this method can help you reset your password and sign in again without guessing or risking your account. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and makes sure you don't miss future videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the correct place to start when you've forgotten your Gmail password. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the box provided. Make sure you type it carefully so Google can locate the correct account. Then click Next. On the next screen, Google will ask for the last password you remember. If you do not remember it, do not worry. Simply click Try another way. This is the important step that gives you access to the different recovery methods Google offers. Depending on how your account is set up, Google may send a verification code to your phone, send a recovery email, or ask you to approve a Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. If you receive a code on your phone, open the message, enter the code on the recovery page, and continue. If Google sends a message to your recovery email, open that inbox, find the verification email, and follow the instructions inside. If you get a Google prompt on another device, simply tap Yes or approve the sign-in request. The goal here is to prove that you're the real owner of the account. Once verification is successful, Google will let you create a new password. Enter a strong new password that you have not used before. Try to make it secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. Then confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same way. After that, click Save. Google will update your password, and you should now be able to sign back into your Gmail account using the new login details. If you want to stay secure after resetting your password, it's also a good idea to update your recovery phone number and recovery email in your Google account settings so you can recover access even faster in the future. And that's it. You've successfully found a way back into your Gmail account by recovering your password and setting a new one. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.